I thought you were done. Guess what you got off for?
And the following counties in West Virginia, Brooke and Hancock. The National Weather Service at Pittsburgh has
You went off for an unrecognized warning.
Central Ohio, Northern Allegheny County in southwestern Pennsylvania, northwestern Washington County in southwestern Pennsylvania, western Westmoreland County in southwestern Pennsylvania, southwestern Armstrong County in west central Pennsylvania, southeastern Butler County in west central Pennsylvania, southern Beaver County in western Pennsylvania, Brooke County in northern West Virginia, Hancock County in northern West Virginia until 11:45 p.m. At 8:36 p.m., radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1.5 and 2 inches of rain have fallen, with an additional 1.0 to 2.0 inches expected. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms.
Streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying
Flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Pittsburgh, Ross Township, McCandless Township, Cranberry, Moon Township, Griffin, Steubenville, Franklin Park, Aliquippa, Wellsburg, Avila, Taylor Township, Hampton Township, Robinson Township, Harrison Township, Economy, O'Hara Township, Bellevue, Tennessee Township, and Ambridge.
especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding.
Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding.
Economy, O'Hara Township, Bellevue, Kennedy Township,
Moon Township, Brighton, Steubenville, Franklin Park.
Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding.
Oh, God! Don't do it, thank you.
For the following counties in Pennsylvania, Allegheny, Beaver, and Washington, in the following counties in West Virginia, Brooke, Hancock, and Ohio. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Jefferson County in east central Ohio, southwestern Warren County in western Pennsylvania, northwestern Washington County in southwestern Pennsylvania, west central Allegheny County in southwestern Pennsylvania, Ohio County in northern West Virginia, Brooke County in northern West Virginia, Hancock County in northern West Virginia until 9:30 p.m. At 8:39 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Wellsburg, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. Impact: expect damage to trees and power lines, resulting in some power outages. Locations impacted include Whitton, Steubenville, Wellsburg, West Liberty, Avila, Robinson Township, Toronto, Wintersville, Maple Junction, Fallen Feet, William, and Hooverson Heights.
On the lowest floor of the
Protection moved to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding.
roadways.
Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.
412.
Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh.
Okay.
Through flooded roadways. Please report severe weather by calling.
Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Facebook page or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh.
Posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh.
Pittsburgh Facebook page or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio, and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
Also, you want to know what my freaking 993 went off for the flash flood warning? Where is it? You see this garbage? Unrecognized warning. Good one.